Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best metal detector that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bounty Hunter 4 Takas Tracker IV Metal Detector. This metal detector comes with a host of awesome features that make it stand out above the rest, and makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and veterans. Equipped with preset ground balance settings, you'll never need to worry about mineralization interference, so you'll never stumble across a false positive again, while the rugged construction makes it ideal for use in all kinds of environments. In addition to this, it has 3 different search modes so you can only find what you want, while the interface is simple and easy to use, and has a target strength meter so you'll be sure when you're about to hit the jackpot. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Garrett Pro Pointer at Pinpointing Metal Detector. The Garrett Pro Pointer is a high-quality pinpointing metal detector that doesn't take up too much room and can help you find the longest forgotten trinkets hiding in both soil and surf all over the world. Immediately, you're drawn to its bright orange color, but this isn't just a design choice. It also functions as a helpful reference when searching through murky waters, which is made easier with a handy LED light on the product so you can really dig deep. Waterproof to up to 10 feet, you can wade deep into the water with this and uncover Blackbeard's legendary riches, but you'll also get just as much joy from it as a lily-livered landlubber, so it brings something for everybody. What should really hold your attention is its accuracy, though. The Pro Pointer is fitted with the most sensitive sensors that make treasure hunting easier than it's ever been. Along with fast returning and incredibly precise identification, you can start planning your retirement party right now. At number 3, we have the Garrett Ace 400 Metal Detector. The top-rated metal detectors that you can find anywhere in the world. Bringing a treasure trove of features to the table, including 5 discrimination modes, a tried and tested performance search coil, and supplied with a range of accessories such as headphones, you'll be hard-pressed to find a metal detector that does more than this. The Garrett Ace 400 metal detector is unlike any other metal detector before it. Boasting frequencies as high as 10 kHz, you'll be treated to unseen accuracy regarding sensitivity, meaning there's nothing you won't be able to discover hiding beneath the surface. This includes metals such as both gold and lead, taking your detecting activities to a whole other level. Suitable for an array of different environments, this detector performs exactly like you'd expect a product christened Ace would. Make interference a thing of the past, and marvel at the secrets this product will uncover. If there was a metal detector grand championship, you'd expect this one to reach the final 99 times out of 100, it's just that good. At number 2, we have the Bounty Hunter QSI Quicksilver Metal Detector. Bounty Hunter Treasure Detector on our list possesses a wide range of helpful and vital features that make it stand out as an excellent example of everything to love about metal detectors. It's designed with a fully automatic ground balancing system that recognizes the area and acts accordingly, as well as providing push-button discrimination control to make switching between modes a total breeze. The 3-tone identification gives you the chance to distinguish between good, great, and don't waste your time objects, while its 8-inch search coil provides decent depth so you can really get stuck into the ground. The interface is simple to read and easy to learn, and has a number of useful indicators that includes digital targeting and battery level so you won't get caught out. The perfect size for straightforward portability, you can take it to the beach, around the park, and even through your backyard, and the Squelch Tech Edition does everything it can to eliminate pesky false positives. If you've been looking for a metal detector that can make you rich, or richer, every penny helps, then this might just be the one for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the RICOMAX Metal Detector. The RICOMAX Metal Detector machine is the ideal midway point for both adults and kids who share a love of searching for mud, grime, sand and stone in hopes of finding something worth keeping. Its adjustable stem means that the whole family can get something out of it, while pinpoint accuracy means you'll never feel like you've wasted your time. The indicator is simple to read so you know exactly where you stand, while its 8-inch search coil means you can find items wedged deep below. Whether you're looking for iron, gold, silver, aluminum or silver, you're sure to come across something with ease with this by your side thanks to 4 switchable modes so you can detect whatever you desire. Rounding off its features is a helpful headphone jack so you don't alert anyone else about what you've discovered until you're waist deep in a hole about to strike lucky. Guaranteeing great results and hours of fun, this is a metal detector that is more than worth your time. You'll be digging up chests full of gold and silver sooner than you might expect. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.